Hello, hamster lovers and animal lovers in general. Typewriter says hello, and she loves you, and thank you so much for all of the wonderful comments. She's getting some carrot slices here and basically stuffing them into her cheeks. I love it when she sticks her little tongue out. Oh, she's so cute. I also love it when she reaches up and touches our fingers. She is very, very gentle. She does not bite. She's just the sweetest little creature. Here she is in a brighter light because I'm filming from a different direction. She loves her tunnels so much. If you can get these heavy-duty tubes at a reuse center or something like that, I highly recommend them. Seems to me that the items in the pet stores are sometimes too narrow. There she goes. I think she's going to try to climb. Yep. You can do it, Typie. That's a huge mound of bedding, and she has dug a little tunnel down to the very bottom where she stores her food, and she sleeps in there as well. The current setup is working out okay, but I would like to get a bigger cage. Oh, I love when she eats her apple slices. And then when she's finished, she will very meticulously wash her hands. Is that good, Typewriter? Good job. Good job, Typewriter. You're a good girl. Sometimes when she comes out at night, she does her little stretching and she runs around for a little bit. Oh, you forgot your corn. But then she will hide behind her wheel to do her cleaning. I guess she thinks we can't see her back there, but it's one of her favorite hiding spots. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate everyone who's here, and Typewriter says goodbye, and she will see you soon.